Welcome to a new short update, and today we're going to discuss Chainlink for only 5 minutes. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, check out my free trade letter, check out the premium platform, also check out the affiliate I have with BitGet, which gives you the entry to exclusive trading competitions and a lot of bonuses. But today we're going to have a short update when it comes to an altcoin. Of course, it's going to be Chainlink. I think you may be getting a bit tired of the fact that I'm mentioning Chainlink a lot, but I generally believe, and that's not a shield, I'm not in a deal with them, that it's ultimately valued relatively low at this point. And I've got two charts which we can discuss in this update. The first one you can see on the screen, which is the daily chart, and you can also see the 100-day MA and 200-day MA for support beneath us. So the reason why I'm saying to this is that there are so many arguments to find that the current structure of Chainlink is ultimately a buy opportunity for yourself. Not financial advice, you have to do it yourself. Risk management should be appropriate. Don't go blindly all in. If you use leverage, you are the one getting wrecked, not me. So what we see here is the following. Okay. The peak of Chainlink was in April 2021. Since then, we have been collapsing from $50 to 5. And we have been having this crash here in May 2022, right? Since then, we are going sideways. So this range is ultimately around a year. What does that tell you? The moment it cracks the range, the longer it has been in the range, the heavier the impulse will be. So once it cracks above $9, it starts to shoot off quite fast, and I think you can target $20 to $25 easily from there. Secondly, what can we see even more from the price action here? We can see that these 100-day and 200-day MA have been resistance the entire period. Okay, we have been breaking above it a little bit, but we started to rally above, and I think that the markets were really eager for continuation, but FTX screwed us over, so we dropped it back beneath. What we see right now for the first time since the entire period, golden crosses, and also the 100-day and 200-day MA are starting to flip as support. Then finally, we also see that the trend becomes bullish, in which we make higher lows, higher highs, resulting in that we're going to see continuation on the markets in itself. What does that say? Well, it says that there is an opportunity right now and that there are finally more arguments to be made for upside and downside opportunities. And in this case, you can also see with the numbers, if you start DCA, dollar cost averaging, and accumulating the position, the downside risk is small. It could be like 30%. But on the short term, which is approximately 3 to 6 months from now, the upside is between 100 to 250%. Not even discussing investment opportunities, because if the markets are going to accelerate to 10 to 15 trillion in market cap, it can even be higher. Which means that this is the final opportunity you have to actually be able to buy the asset. And therefore, if you accumulate the positions here with the current structure, I think if you play this play 100 times, it's going to be ending up in a massive profitable streak. Hence why I'm just sharing this with you in this short update of 5 minutes. When we're looking at Chainlink against Bitcoin, we can also conclude we are acting in a sideways structure since May. May 2022 was even the period in the Bitcoin pair to buy into the asset. It has been dropping a little bit more during that period, and since then we have been going up. Retest at 2900 sats, also argumenting that once we crack the entire level we have here at 3400 sats, it's going to rally even more and we can start rallying towards the highs, which is at 4700 sats. If you're looking at Link against USDT, the final conclusion we can make here is that we have been getting a beautiful retest taking place around $7.30. Sideways action. Once again, this resistance at 930 is the one to crack, and then we start to accelerate quite fast to 12 already. I think you can position yourself easily, and I think if we have a retest around $7.60, it can still grant you the opportunity. So that's for now the short update. I'm just still enjoying my time in Cape Town. Next week I'll be providing longer updates to you. If you did like the update, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, if you want to see me going live during coming week, I might want to do a special live stream to answer all your questions. Make sure to leave a comment behind beneath. And if you want a specific altcoin to be analyzed as well, do that in the comments too. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.